What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over 7 different Google search ads that I really enjoyed, that I thought were really great for the search term that I entered. So I entered a bunch of different search terms and I pulled some different advertisements, and I'm going to go over why I liked all of these different advertisements. So we're going to start with number 1 here, and the first one is emergency plumber near me. So clearly I'm looking for an emergency plumbing situation. Now this is a great advertisement right here, 24-hour emergency plumber. Team available 24/7, so I know I can call this number at any time. So to come over here to look at some of the different things I liked about this advertisement, you can see 24-hour, they have the phone number here, 24/7 emergency plumbing, and then just in case you're a little bit worried about anything, they do have upfront honest pricing here in the advertisement, and then also background check tech. So I know I have an experienced tech coming to my house, and for an emergency plumbing situation, you want to make sure that whoever's coming to your house is going to be able to fix it. So this is going to be advertisement number 1. Clearly goes over all the different benefits of me calling arsmyrtlebeach.com. Now keep in mind, I am located in the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina area, so you're going to see advertisements that are geared towards my location. Now for number 2, pretty simple one, but social media scheduler. So this is one I really liked, is later.com. So number 1, free social media scheduler. And if we come over here to go over some of the different things I liked here. So number 1, free social media scheduler, completely free, no contract, 30 free photo posts, work with team members, join 2 million plus users. So I know a lot of people are using later.com. I know I can join completely free. I'm sure they do have paid options available, but I don't even need to click on it. I can know that I can get started with their free platform, and maybe I want to upgrade if I see that it's going to be worth my investment to use later.com. Now, the other thing I like is no contract, because one of the worst things to have is a 12-month contract. If you have a social media scheduler and then you don't really need it for the next 12 months, you realize that it's just not worth your investment. So this is a really good advertisement to me, and one that's pretty simple and clearly goes over all the different benefits of choosing later.com and clicking on this advertisement. Okay, so for number 3, I entered car insurance cheap. So clearly I'm looking for cheap rates for car insurance. So you can see for this advertisement right here, some of the different things I liked about it is the entire headline. So $19 minimum South Carolina insurance. So it's geared towards my area, cheapest rates in South Carolina, cheapest South Carolina car insurance rates, fast and free. And then all of these site link extensions I think are perfect for this. So a 2-minute quote, state minimum coverage, cheapest when you bundle, full coverage. So the other thing here is insurance coverage. So this is probably a structured snippet right here. Auto, motorcycle liability, collision, SR22, and umbrella. So all of these I think are really good for this advertisement. You can also see compare and save 40%, compare and save $500 a year. So all of these things are good benefits. So if I do click on this advertisement, I'm going to go through and hopefully find a really cheap rate. And I can choose between just getting state minimum coverage or getting full coverage and hopefully saving on my car insurance. Okay, so the next one is going to be, I typed in beach vacation spring break. So this one, there's a lot of advertisements that come up that are not geared towards spring vacations or spring break. This was a really good one, ststravel.com, spring break 2020 packages, lowest prices of the year. Mind you, I'm doing this search in October 2019, so a lot of ads aren't really being geared towards 2020 spring break. This is one of the best ones I saw. Find your best rates to all these different locations, exclusive parties, best spring break deals. So if we come over here, the different things I liked is spring break 2020, best spring break deals. And then they even have some pricing down here. So I can see Cancun from just $89 a night, 5 nights hotel only. So clearly I'm probably going to end up spending more on airfare and all those different things, but I can see that I can get a pretty cheap rate for a spring vacation to Cancun. And then the other thing with the site link extensions here, you can see view destinations, how it works, book online, party packages, and group bookings. Last but not least, founded in 1984 and BBB accredited business. Those are all good benefits when you are looking to book a travel destination vacation, because you want to make sure that you're getting something where you don't show up and you don't have anything booked for you. So all of these things I think make it a really good advertisement. And then you have lowest prices of the year. Even if it's not geared towards beach vacation spring break, I know that I'm going to get some good rates and some good prices if I book my vacation now. Okay, the next one might be the best advertisement of the entire bunch. So I typed in something that's really, really specific. Best toddler toys for 3-year-old boy. So it's a really specific search term here, and you're going to see here, gifts 3-year-olds will love for boys who have everything. So the entire headline is absolutely perfect for my search term. We come over here, we have a phone number here. So just coming over, we have a 5-star rating, well, 4.8, but you can see it's all 5 stars. So I know if I come here, a lot of great reviews for this website. cool, unique gifts for boys age 3 who have everything. You have a quote, I absolutely adore this site. There's nothing else like it. And then you have a price extension down here, some gifts under $25, handmade gifts. So this is a really great advertisement. And I typed in this one and I had to look a little bit for this one because some of the other ones were just geared towards toddler toys. Some were geared towards 1 to 3. So this is absolutely perfect because if I click here, I know I'm going to find a page for gifts for 3-year-old boys. So it's a really great advertisement here. This is probably the best one of the bunch. Really specific search term, and they gave me an advertisement that was geared perfectly towards what I'm looking for. Okay, so the next one, you start getting a little bit hungry, type in Takeout Near Me. So this is a really good advertisement as well. Carry out food nearby, order online, and skip the line. So I like that right there. If we come over here, the entire headline is geared towards the search query that I entered. And you can see order takeout, download our mobile app. I have an address right here. I have the hours open, so I know I can drive there and find exactly what I'm looking for. They also have different menus here that I can look for. And then down the site links at the bottom, catering services, maybe not perfect for Takeout Near Me, but you never know if you're looking for catering in a pinch. This might be helpful. Gift cards, not the greatest, but view menu is something I might click on. The one thing that could probably be improved with this advertisement is just giving site link extensions that are going to be a little bit more geared towards Takeout Near Me. So maybe you have some takeout specials, maybe some different things that are going to help me for specifically looking for takeout. So that would be the one critique for this advertisement. But overall, I think it's a really good advertisement. And for the search term that I entered, it's something that I would click on and maybe order some food from this place nearby. Okay, so the last two I have here are going to be mobile advertisements. The first one I entered was 24-hour electrician. So I did the 24-hour plumbing, we'll say 24-hour electrical services. 2 advertisements that I liked here. The first one is just a standard advertisement with a call extension. So if I click here on my mobile phone, I would call the business directly. The next one down here is a call only ad. I recently did a tutorial about call only ads, and this is what they look like. So if I'm looking for a 24-hour electrician, I can just click on this advertisement, call this business directly. One thing I did like with Mr. Electric here is we're open 24/7 to help you through any electrical emergency, even on holidays. So that gives you a little bit more peace of mind. Now this one down here, I wish the advertisement text had a little bit more about 24 hours, but it's still very helpful. And I know that I can call them right now and we can see if they pick up. Hopefully they do. And then I can get service from either of these companies really easily. The next one is going to be local dentist. So this is a dentist near me, near North Myrtle Beach. One thing is that's a little bit further away from where I'm actually located. That's probably 30 minutes from me. So it's a little bit far, but you can see we work with most insurance. That's something a lot of people probably have questions about. Emergency dental care, extended location hours. And then I really like the site link extensions here. Find an office near me, dental services, schedule an appointment, and my first office frequently asked questions. And then they also have a mobile call extension down here so I can quickly call this business and hopefully find a new dentist for myself. So these are some great Google ads that I really liked. What I would highly recommend doing is as you're setting up advertisements, look at competitor ads, look at other advertisements, especially the headlines, the different ad extensions that they're using, and if they're using call extensions, if they're using some of these location extensions. So coming over to Google, let's just say a company contacts me to advertise their new screen recording software. What I would do first is just come directly into Google. I'm going to look up this keyword. First, you can find some different competitors. You can click through these advertisements to look at some of the landing pages. I'm not going to waste their ad dollars. But if I do screen recording software, you're going to see these 2 advertisements right at the top before we get into some videos. And with Adobe, you can see it's Adobe Captivate 2019 Update free 30-day trial. So I know I can get started with a 30-day trial. And then down here, you can see bandycam.com. And if you look here, you can see record Xbox, record PlayStation, capture webcam video, capture your phone screen, game recording, webcam recording. And then over here, they have download for free, game recorder, webcam recorder. And if you're looking at record your desktop screen, high quality, less lag. So some really good advertisements here as well. And you can see with Adobe, they have the rating here. So 937 reviews, rated 4.8. So it's something where someone might click here and they might go through to this landing page. And I just need to make sure that if I'm working with a client, if I'm running my own advertisements, then I'm using all of the different ad extensions. I'm using all of these different features and making sure that I'm creating advertisements that are going to have people click on my ad versus some of these competitor ads here. So coming back over here, you can see a location extension down here. You can see we have some site link extensions down here, and then even here is a structured snippet. So a lot of these different advertisements are using multiple ad extensions to create really great advertisements. And probably the best advertisement for this entire one was the best toddler toys, because you can see they have a phone number here, they have a rating here, they have a price here, and then everything is really matched to exactly what I'm looking for. So this is how to kind of find some different Google Ads examples, and hopefully it helps spark some creativity and gives you some inspiration as you're creating your next Google advertisements. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.